Hello there, Virgo. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here today with your love guidance. And this love guidance is going to be for July 16th through the 31st. Thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate it. So, Virgo, we are going to be looking at two things in this video. We're going to look at your feelings and how you see your person of interest, and also their feelings and how they see you. If you are interested in going deeper and wanting to uncover some real secrets, find out what it is that is really on this person's mind, and also get some helpful advice or tips to help move the connection forward, I highly recommend getting the extended version. You get an exclusive video that you can watch as many times as you like. It is down below in the description box of this video. You will see a link that leads you right to the extended video. So check that out, guys, if you are interested. So Virgo, we're going to get started. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. How do you feel about your person of interest during this time frame? So whoever it is that you guys are dealing with at this time, whoever you're interested in, it looks like you feel a little left out. Maybe you feel like this is a person who's kind of cold towards you. Maybe the connection is not so hot, it feels more cold because this person may leave you out of certain things. It's maybe that some things you really would appreciate knowing about that this person does not tell you about, or maybe they're too busy. I am getting that you feel like this person is acting as if you don't exist anymore. This is someone who could be interested in other things or other people, or just not talking to you, just really distant, or really giving you a cold shoulder. Maybe you feel like you don't matter much to this person because they're not investing as much time and energy into the connection with you right now. And for some of you, you could be tired of feeling like this with this person, and maybe you're ready to explore a deeper connection with them, and you want to be more involved. You want to feel a sense of togetherness. But I think that where this connection is right now, you just really need a mutual understanding with one another. And also wanting to understand, what does the other person want? Because this person is not speaking on it, but you really want to know, what is it that they want? What can you do to bring you two together? What else can you do? What do they need from you? And I feel like you're ready to talk about these things. You want to reveal truths to this person. You want them to know how you feel. You don't want the distance in the connection. And that's what I'm getting here. Your person of interest, how they feel. This is someone who's interested in this connection with you, but right now they are very, very busy. This is someone who may be grinding a lot, putting in a lot of work, long hours, could be working hard on a particular project right now. They are preoccupied with something business related or career or work related. I do see this for a lot of you. That could be what's going on. This person seems really busy. This person actually could be wanting more business success, or they could be just really investing more in a personal business. So if you guys have like a family business, a small business, or if they have their own, then they could be really trying to work on that right now. Manifesting. So this person is seeing things unfold with you that they are happy about. But the reason why I think this person is not showing their excitement about things with you right now, or not sharing much with you, or letting you into how they really see the connection, is because maybe they want to remain humble and also focused on the bigger tasks or the big picture in front of them right now. I think that they do seek your love and your honesty at the same time. They would rather you approach them in a very genuine way about what it is that's on your mind, what you want, what you need. They are open to hearing these things. It's just that they're busy. So the big picture for a person like this could be their financial stability. It could be that, how am I going to take the Virgo out on a date if I don't have my money together? It could be their kids and their family. It could be something like, well, how am I going to be happy or treating the Virgo out to nice things if I can't do this for my kids right now, or my kids require my attention right now. We are getting closer to school time, so if this is a person who has little kids still in school or college, then maybe this person is just really, maybe the kids have their heads spinning, right now. Could be a time where they're really focused on that. Others of you, it can be that maybe this person is preparing for a future life with you, and in order to build a foundation here with you, or to continue building with you, then they need to step away to handle some more important things. But it does benefit you if you two are thinking about serious things like that. So I'm getting that they're just really focused. I think that this person is going to start slowly revealing things to you during this time frame. So look out for them to open up and explain more about their feelings and more about where their head is. But I think you just have to be a little bit patient right now. So how do you see this person, Virgo? For some of you, you see this person as chasing after money. So I think that the way they feel and what I just explained must be true, because how you see them is adding up, is matching up with the money. So you see them as chasing money, but I say chasing money because I think that you may feel that this person has the kind of lifestyle that they can afford. You may think that they have it all mapped out, they've got it together. You see them as a very grounded and stable individual. This could be another earth sign like yourself, a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, or doesn't have to be. They could be an Aries, Sagittarius, a Leo. I'm getting strong earth or fire energy. However, they could be any zodiac sign. Sometimes they could even be a Libra. But you may feel like this person has everything mapped out and they already have things under control. So, but you still see them chasing after money for some reason. And so I think that you feel like the more this person chases after money and success, the harder it's going to be for you to get to this person's heart space. This person may make money their God. They could be that kind of person. This is someone who could be like that. Or maybe if it's not that, then this person's really super focused on building financial success right now. And you may feel like it's excessive. This could be someone who may even care about other people's approval. And so the way you see them is kind of maybe being like a people pleaser, or maybe trying to show off for the Joneses, or maybe this is someone who you feel like they're trying to satisfy or please other people in their life. But what you see in them doing this is that they're making themselves a prisoner to what other people think and what other people want. And they kind of lock themselves away and just chime away at something that may be pleasing others, but it's like, what about you right now? So this person is actually mirroring some aspect about yourself. I get a sense that they feel the same way about you. As much as you may not see it, or as much as you may not want to believe it's true, there's an aspect that is true. I'm sure you work. I'm sure you're building your financial success as well. I'm sure you're manifesting things as well. They see you doing the same thing. You guys are actually mirroring each other. So if you were to like open up and express certain things to them, they would be like, but you're doing it too, right? But you're focused on money too, right? But you're working too, right? So they see you doing the same thing. It's like you're working on your business. You're working at your job or whatever it is that you do. And they're like, yeah, you're doing it too. Like we're both working on things. So the way you see them is that, yes, they're mirroring you. You guys are doing the same things within the connection. You may feel like this is a twin soul. You feel an eternal connection to this person. Like this is a love that never dies. It never fades out. This is your forever person for some of you. This is even maybe an ancient love. Maybe you two knew of each other in a past life. Whether you were together, you were friends, you were dating in a past life, whatever it was. Even if you weren't together in a past life, you knew each other, or you were in the same village or something like that. But it's a familiar soul who you are connecting with. And this person, you see them as being fully awakened. You see them as being fully awakened and aware of everything that's going on within this connection. You know that they know that you guys have a past life connection, or that you guys have a very special and unique kind of connection. You know that they're aware of this, whether they're male or female. And so you just see this person as no longer hiding who they really are. They're showing the world who they are. So this is a person who is expressing their talents. They are showing who they really are. So if they're a boss, people are going to know that this person's running the show during the last 2 weeks of the month. If this person is an actor, actress, people are going to know that this person is successful at what they do. They're going to see them in a new movie or something like that. If this person is a spiritual person, people are going to know who they are. They're making their mark in the world, I feel right now. They're working on something. Now, how do they see you? Virgo, this person sees so much potential with you. So much potential with you, being with you, having a life with you. But they know that right now you have a vision. They know what your vision is. They know that you see yourself with them. They know that you see a future with them. They know that you have the same vision that they have. But it's just that they feel that they're putting in the action while you may be stuck in a daydream, where it's like you are imagining what the future looks like with you and this person, or you're imagining being with this person, but you're not putting the legwork. You're not putting in the real efforts behind the future planning. They feel like they are doing that. They feel like they're the ones having to work behind the scenes and create the lifestyle that you really dream of. They feel like they're doing it. So if they're out going to work, they feel like they're doing this for you. Like they may be working on buying a home for you too for the future, or having financial stability so that they can show up to be the man or the woman that you need them to be. Whatever it is, they just feel like they're doing the back end work. Okay. But they also know that right now is a sensitive time for you. They are aware that you could be more sensitive right now. This is Cancer season going into the Leo season. So you could be pretty sensitive to different things, especially when it comes to your self-image, how you show up in the world. You could be sensitive about that, your reputation and things like that right now. They are aware of all of these things. But they also see you as their divine feminine or divine masculine. They know that you two are in union right now, and they see that you have realized this. You have started to realize that you two are connected from a past life. You are starting to put the pieces together. You're becoming more aware of what's going on, okay? And they see you as a new version of yourself. Like this is a new you. You have so much clarity and insight about this connection now, and they want you to continue tapping into your psychic abilities, trusting your intuition about this connection. It's kind of like a person who's like, don't not believe that I'm your twin soul. Don't like throw that idea away. I'm still your person. I'm still going to be there. I'm still in love with you. I still want to, consider being with you, but don't just throw it all away just because I've gotten a little busy, right? So yeah, that's what I'm getting, guys. And if you want to go deeper, again, we're going to go deeper. We're going to look at more of this. So get the extended if you're interested. Check out the description box down below. God bless.